Asterisk. Have you ever wondered why some women can step out with bare faces yet still look so fresh and radiant? Their skin always seems bright and smooth, the kind of natural glow that makes you curious if they're hiding a secret. I've met quite a few women like that. And after learning more, I realized they don't rely on expensive cosmetics or spend hours in spas. Instead, they simply follow one small daily habit, something so simple that anyone can do it. But that simple little thing can completely transform the skin in just 1 week. In today's video, I want to share this secret with you, so you can try it right at home. It's gentle, safe, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Watch the video until the end, because every little detail matters. Each step is a key to helping your skin become healthier and brighter day by day. And if you find these kinds of natural skincare tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel and leave a comment below to tell me what you'd like to learn more about. I'll share even more practical, easy to follow tips in the next videos. The very first secret I want to share with you is something that's already in your kitchen: rice water. It may sound simple, but this natural beauty remedy has been used for centuries. Today, even modern research confirms that rice water truly contains nutrients beneficial for your skin. Rice water is rich in B vitamins such as B1, B2, and B6, as well as vitamin E proteins, lipids, and minerals like calcium, iron, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients help brighten your complexion, improve pigmentation, promote skin cell renewal, and maintain natural moisture balance. What's more, the fine starch in rice water helps absorb dirt and excess oil, cleansing your skin gently without the dryness that chemical cleansers can cause. Simply put, when you wash your face with rice water, you're giving your skin a natural nutritional mask. The vitamins and antioxidants in it neutralize free radicals, slow down premature aging, and leave your skin softer, smoother, and naturally glowing. The method is actually very simple. After rinsing the rice once to remove any dirt or impurities, during the second rinse, collect the milky white rice water into a clean bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until the starch settles at the bottom. Then, use the clear water on top to wash your face in the morning and evening. Each time you wash, gently pat your skin for about 1 minute so the nutrients can absorb better. Then rinse again with cool water. After just a few days, your skin will feel softer, smoother, and more radiant, almost as if you've just come back from a spa. However, there's one very important thing to note: rice water should only be used within the same day. Never keep it overnight, because after about 8 hours, it can start to ferment and produce bacteria that may irritate your skin. For those with very sensitive skin, active acne, or peeling or damaged skin, it's best to do a patch test first on a small area, like your wrist or the inside of your cheek. If there's no unusual reaction, then you can safely use it on your entire face. If you stay consistent and use it daily, after just 1 week you'll clearly notice the difference. Your skin will appear brighter, smoother, less oily, and your pores will look smaller. This is a beauty method that's not only budget-friendly and safe, but also helps your skin stay healthy from the inside out, rather than just giving a temporary glow like chemical cosmetics. So, if you're looking for a natural, gentle, and effective way to start your skincare journey at home, rice water is the perfect first step. The second secret is Honey Pot, the honey and yogurt mask, a simple yet powerful way to achieve naturally smooth, glowing skin. Dear friends, among countless natural beauty recipes, the combination of pure honey and unsweetened yogurt is one of the simplest yet most effective. I want to share this recipe because it's not only a traditional remedy that has existed for centuries, but modern science has also proven its remarkable ability to restore and nourish the skin from within. This formula works well for almost all skin types, especially dull, dry, or tired skin that's been exposed to pollution. sunlight, or stress for a long time. The first ingredient is pure honey. For each use, you'll need about *1 tablespoon of honey. Natural honey contains more than 80 beneficial organic compounds, including vitamins B1, B2, B3, and B6, along with minerals such as zinc, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. In addition, honey is rich in natural enzymes, amino acids, and powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to deeply cleanse pores, prevent acne, and protect the skin from UV damage and pollution. Honey is also known as a *natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and elastic. The second ingredient is plain yogurt. You'll need about *2 tablespoons for each use. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural organic acid that gently removes dead skin cells, helping your skin gradually brighten without causing irritation or dryness. It's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, B2, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. These nutrients help regenerate skin cells, boost recovery for damaged skin, and stimulate collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, youthful, and resilient. As a result, after applying a yogurt mask, your skin often feels softer, smoother, and more even-toned. When these two ingredients, honey and yogurt, are combined, they create a powerful synergistic effect. Honey works as an antibacterial, soothing, and moisturizing agent, while the lactic acid in yogurt gently exfoliates dead skin and unclogs pores. When your skin is cleansed and hydrated at the same time, the vitamins and minerals from honey can penetrate more deeply into the epidermis, enhancing cell renewal and promoting a healthy glow. That's why many people notice their skin becoming smoother, firmer, and noticeably brighter after just a few applications. This synergy also helps reduce inflammation, soothe irritated areas, and speed up recovery after sunburn or dryness caused by harsh weather. The process is simple but should be done correctly for the best results. First, mix *1 tablespoon of honey with *2 tablespoons of plain yogurt until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Wash your face with warm water to open up the pores. Then apply the mixture evenly over your face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas. Next, lie back and relax for about *15 minutes, allowing the nutrients to deeply absorb into your skin. Once the time is up, rinse gently with warm water. Then follow with a splash of cool water to tighten the pores. Finally, pat your face dry with a soft towel and apply a light moisturizer to lock in hydration. I recommend doing this mask 2 to 3 times a week. If you have dry or normal skin, you can use it more regularly. If you have oily skin, reduce the frequency to allow your skin to balance its natural oils. After 1 to 2 weeks of consistency, you'll see a visible transformation: brighter, smoother, and more radiant skin. A few important notes. Always use pure honey and unsweetened yogurt that's still within its expiration date. Avoid any products with added flavors or sugar, as they can irritate the skin and cause breakouts. If your skin is inflamed, has large cystic acne, or open wounds, wait until it heals before applying this mask to prevent further irritation. On particularly hot days, you can rinse your face with cool water afterward to help soothe the skin. This is a safe, easy-to-do beauty recipe suitable for almost everyone. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can give your skin a naturally nourishing treatment that keeps it soft, healthy, and glowing. The key is consistency and proper technique, because your skin needs time to absorb and regenerate. Third secret: green tea ice massage in the morning. Dear friends, if you want your skin to feel refreshed, firm, and radiant right after waking up. This is a beauty secret you should definitely try: massaging your face with green tea ice cubes. It sounds simple, but it's highly recommended by dermatologists for its quick and visible results. Especially for those who struggle with puffiness, large pores, or acne-prone skin. Asterisk. Green tea has long been considered a wonderful gift from nature for the skin. Green tea leaves are packed with powerful antioxidants such as EGCG, catechins, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, slow down cell aging, and reduce inflammation, while soothing areas of skin that may be irritated. EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate, has been shown in research to help control excess oil production, cleanse clogged pores, and reduce acne-related inflammation. In addition, green tea is rich in vitamins C and E, which help improve skin elasticity and brighten the complexion. When you freeze green tea into ice cubes, the skincare benefits are enhanced through the combination of two factors: the cooling temperature and the nutrients in the tea. The cold temperature temporarily constricts blood vessels, which helps tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and minimize under-eye bags after waking up. At the same time, the cooling effect stimulates blood circulation beneath the skin, giving your face a naturally rosy, radiant glow. Meanwhile, the green tea essence absorbed into the skin helps reduce inflammation, control oil, prevent breakouts, and leave your complexion smoother day by day. The method is simple. Brew about 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of hot water with a small handful of fresh green tea leaves or 2 tea bags. Let it cool completely, then pour it into an ice cube tray. After 4 to 6 hours in the freezer, you'll have perfectly chilled green tea ice cubes. Each morning, after cleansing your face, wrap 1 cube in a thin cloth or soft gauze pad and gently glide it across your skin, especially around the eyes, cheeks, and chin. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes to promote optimal blood flow. The refreshing coolness instantly firms, brightens, and energizes your skin. If your skin is sensitive, wrap the ice cube with an extra layer of cloth to avoid frostbite. For normal or oily skin, this can be done daily. For dry skin, 2 to 3 times a week is enough. After massaging, let your skin air dry naturally for about 5 minutes. Then apply a light moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft throughout the day. A small but important note: never apply ice cubes directly from the freezer onto your face. The extreme cold can damage tiny blood vessels under the skin. Also, always use freshly brewed green tea and avoid keeping it overnight, since tea compounds can oxidize and lose their benefits. This is a simple yet highly effective method to start your morning. Just a few minutes of green tea ice massage each day will awaken your skin, refresh your complexion, and deliver a natural dose of antioxidants. With consistent use, you'll notice healthier, smoother, clearer skin, with a natural, spa-like glow. My dear friends, at night, after a long day of exposure to dust and pollution, our skin truly needs rest and recovery. That's when pure almond oil becomes your best companion. It's rich in vitamin E, omega-3, and healthy fatty acids that deeply nourish each skin cell, gradually fade dark spots, reduce under-eye circles, and prevent dryness or cracking. Each evening, I apply a few drops of almond oil on my fingertips and gently massage around the eyes, lips, and cheeks. Just 1 minute of this relaxing ritual makes a difference. By morning, your skin feels softer, brighter, and more even-toned. Almond oil also helps stimulate natural collagen production, improving elasticity and keeping your skin youthful. That's why anyone over 30 should maintain this nightly habit. A small reminder. Always choose cold pressed, pure almond oil, free from artificial fragrance, so your skin can absorb it better and stay irritation free. And to truly keep your skin healthy, I believe inner care is just as important as outer care. Every morning, about 15 minutes before breakfast, I drink a glass of warm water mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This simple formula benefits digestion while brightening the skin from within. Honey provides enzymes and amino acids that strengthen your immune system, while turmeric contains curcumin, a compound well known for its powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and skin brightening properties. When combined, the natural sugars in honey help your body absorb curcumin more effectively, creating a synergistic effect that supports liver detoxification, soothes the stomach, and gives your skin a healthy, rosy glow. However, if you have stomach ulcers or acid reflux, I recommend using less turmeric and avoiding this drink on an empty stomach to prevent irritation. Maintain this habit for about a week and you'll notice the difference. Your body feels lighter. Your skin looks clearer and more radiant. There's also a small but incredibly effective beauty tip I've kept to this day: using vitamin E as a lip treatment before bed. After cleansing my face, I prick open a vitamin E capsule, take a few drops of the oil, and apply it evenly on my lips before sleeping. Within just a few days, your lips become softer, pinker, and naturally plump. A little trick: mix in a drop of honey or coconut oil for extra moisture. For those who often struggle with dry, chapped lips due to cold weather or lead-based lipsticks, just a few nights of vitamin E care will bring noticeable results. Your lips will regain their natural color and smoothness. Many people think beauty is complicated or expensive, but in truth, once you understand your skin and treat it right, everything becomes simple. The *7 natural secrets I've shared today, from green tea ice cubes and almond oil to honey, turmeric water and vitamin E, are all gentle, practical, and completely safe. They don't just nourish your skin, they bring peace to your mind. Because every minute spent caring for yourself is also a moment of self-love. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to help spread positive energy. See you again in the next video on live well every day, where I'll continue sharing more ways to live healthier, more beautiful, and truly happier, every single day. Thank you, and see you soon.